Because good always triumph over evil. And a father got him have a back. Remember that, Miss Kitty. Go kick rocks. Biatch. Listen to this.
Blood class, if you don't know how to deal with a Jamaican man, leave them alone. Because of the best man, them from bumbo clad world. You hear? Did you know that it's common courtesy for a Jamaican man to ask a woman, babe, to eat from morning?
Oh.
But you know, we might have to be hungry for. And they might have enough food to eat.
How you deal with them?
Move your hungry belly, blood clad.
Oh, move your hungry belly, blood clot, girl. Most of the girl them hungry belly like Miss Kitty. You know, she say 119 carry Miss Kitty on date, and the girl want 3 food a plate. She stink and fat and sour. That's why she end up in a hospital. And her husband is one little fool too. Having money and go take up them big bumbo class, sick blood clot, unhealthy. Patch up and batty blood clot, patch and ketchup and bat up and ketchup and batter years and every type of batter blood clot in a that. I woke up this morning, was born out in Kingston and leaving Jamaica abroad, not to England. This is my page, and the first post here you seeing. Look a nigga stop talk. Pussy them a keep a axe off. In a frag of me dog them fully advanced. Black money, black card, rich like who. Look a nigga stop talk. Pussy them a keep a axe off. In a frag of me dog them fully advanced. Excellent process. Yeah. One bag of money. Yard one a foreign. Give me the bird can't team some stay same way like me daddy. Black money, black card, rich like who. Little nigga stop talk. Pussy them a cap a axe off. In a frag of me dog them fully advanced. Black money, black card, rich like who. Little nigga stop talk. Pussy them a cap a axe off. In a frag of me dog them fully advanced. We advance academically and professionally, extraterrestrially and even medically. Sell we to everybody, take the molly, superfragically, list PSP, sexually, get the dolly ben reality. In every alley, genitally make Beverly see. Up I do nally, then be clarin and them off me. No go tell Rivali, anti-valley no mediocrity. Black magic, watch fraud. Get a black puss with a black dog. A mad sus, when mad dog. I de left a bad push with the cash card. Black money, black card, rich like who. Little nigga stop talk. Pussy them a cap a axe off. In a frag of me dogs them fully advanced. Black money, black card, rich like who. Little nigga stop talk. Pussy them a cap a axe off. In a frag of me dog them fully advanced. Yes, that's right there. You see me? Tough a lie, bad. Yeah, my people. Yeah, man. Are you ready? Pow! Don't say bow, say pow. Cause any boy a bow pan the girl them. Especially like the cow girl them like Miss Kitty. The blood clot, witchy, bitchy, pitchy, itchy, scratchy, shitty, batty, big. Hey, don't make me fix her, you know. You see how the universe send that woman here for me? For use against Miss Kitty? May I show you how the universe connect. Remember I said the video when I upload with Miss Kitty, you know. She in the same pink top and she in her vehicle. Right? And Miss Kitty is a bigger and more successful figure we would believe over this lady, right? And that is why I'm so ticked off, pissed off, and Miss Kitty should I get pissed on like some R. Kelly shit on. You get what I'm saying? Yeah, because she's known to have a lot of influence, and she would never do something like this, Miss Kitty. I think at one time here, Miss Kitty ever stand up for like talk to the girl them one way about man one time. And guess when Miss Kitty do that? When the paradigm had shift after the whole Kevin Samuels come turn up the internet and expose woman. So I saw enough women, they were forced and compelled to expose themselves. You get what me I say? So and then guess what? Enough of them now do it consistently or as often or as much as they need to. Because them dirty girl go to style, and I show you, I'm gonna say one like on the Miskitty video when I post up on YouTube, come a burn out the dirty skettle blood clot Jamaican. Yo, you know is a disgrace. All the man them, but this them you fuck because of the Jamaican man them, I give the girl them power. Because them claim say everything a man I must be batty man and Ray do it for a girl. And look what the girl a do them blood clot. That's why them a simp, you know. The girl them a give them be a jacket. Number one jacket giver the girl them be a Jamaica more than anything else in the world, more than any woman. And them batty boy Jamaican here. Them fool your fuck. I give the woman them power. For the woman them blood clot start put whipping at the man them backside and slave on no blood clot. Cause no so fool. You get what me I say? Now look at this woman, as I'm telling you, say the universe sent her. That's why she's in a similar pink top, right? This is how the universe speak and talk and want you to see. You get me? And she counteract Miss Kitty just perfectly. I'm sure no say she never say, boy, I see Miss Kitty in a pink top, so make me go put on a pink top. I see Miss Kitty in her vehicle, so make me go in on my vehicle, go do this as a clapback. No, this is probably a clapback to me what Miss Kitty had said, you know. But you have a lot of women. Well, I mean, Muna say a lot of women, but over time, since the Kevin Samuels era, and he had wised up a lot of men with his knowledge he gave us and exposed the whole dating market, you know what I mean? Meaning how valuable women are on the dating market, and that is according to their age. You get me? So no matter how beautiful a woman is, right? Once they touch certain age, their value drop because it's the younger woman is at higher value. But if that young woman is has no dignity and is like a 3 or 4 thought already, especially a lot of them from high school, they ain't got no value on the dating market. You know, and if some foolish simp guy go take them up, then that won't last unless he is really, really, really more stupider than what we think, than even Jupiter. You know what I'm saying? So, because these women go cheat on you and all of that. And man, it's proven that men are more faithful. You know what I mean? And these women, they don't care much about men. But I'm going to play what this lady says because I love her so much. And these are the women I look for. You know what I'm saying? And not because these women, not because you have some woman who says the right thing and they would hold their sisters accountable. That doesn't mean that if a good man were to meet with one of these women, doesn't mean that the relationship would, you know, automatically goes perfectly, because there's so many problems in the world, so many trouble, so many roads, so many differences, you know what I mean? And maybe she has the brilliance and intelligence to see things differently from Miss Kitty, which us as real men, not simp, would agree with what she's saying, you know. And men like us would still have problem with even a woman like this who we can see and agree on one page. But you know, there's a lot of other areas and reason why relationship fail. Not just because a woman respect a man doesn't mean that that will make the relationship last. But we're very proud to have women like these, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, very proud. Now, this woman fixed me skitty for we as a woman. I mean, I show you how the universe works. That's why I'm always telling us that when there's a corrupt person in power doing corruption, then the universe, the good side of the universe, are going to provide someone to remove them or to take them down. You know what I'm saying? And it goes vice versa, because when everything is all good and then we have someone good leading, then the universe try to produce someone corrupt to remove or to get out that good person who is making everything good and making everyone happy. And you know what I'm saying? Yeah, so at the bad side of the universe and alkaline for kind of bilical and binical cartel thing, but it not work, you see me? Because good always triumph over evil. And a father got him have back. Remember that, Miss Kitty. Go kick rocks. Biatch. Listen to this.
No blood class, if I don't know if I deal with a Jamaican man, leave them alone. Because of the best man them from bumbo clad world. You hear? Did you know that it's common courtesy for a Jamaican man to ask a woman, babes, to eat from morning?
Oh.
I don't know, he might ask me my hungry for. And he might have enough food to eat.
Yeah, I see them where them go on, but tell them what you tell them, mama. How you deal with all them girl they know? we just have them dirty, disgraceful, distasteful attitude towards men. How you deal with them?
Move your hungry belly blood clot.
Oh, move your hungry belly blood clot, girl. Most of the girl them hungry belly like Miss Kitty. You know, she say 119 carry Miss Kitty pan date, and the girl want 3 food a plate. She stink and fat and sour. That's why she end up in a hospital. And her husband is one little fool too. Having money and go take up them big bumbo clot, sick blood clot, unhealthy. Patch up and batty blood clot, patch and ketchup and bat up and ketchup and batter ears and every type of batter blood clot in a that. You get me? Him got take up as a wealthy man. You see me? After she got follow curvy diva the surgery either and blood clot. Idiot that man, Miss Kitty. She better go address the female them because two of them rate her. She feel like say she for play in their favor and try bring down man and teach them how to tax man and defend money. More than figure defend education. And the man them Miss Kitty more a tell always figure get education, you know. And enough dunce girl there, you know. And Miss Kitty want the dunce girl them for be mind by the man them which she tell forget education. So she most Miss Kitty, you have to, she not gonna say it, you know, but you have to can read between the line. See, because Miss Kitty want the man them go get education, then go get big work or businesses and take them monies done pan them done said blood clot minions what she have. You see me? All whore out, Miss Kitty, you stink. Don't ever bright up yourself with man about man love man more than woman and will die for man and them not die for them woman and them mother. You stink. What no woman had blood clot do for man for we dead fool no stink bomb buckler. See the real gal ya. See the real gal, big up yourself, mama. Love how you come step forward at the good side of the universe scenario. If you remove Miss Kitty, move, cause you use a moo cow, you use a sour cow blood clot, Miss Kitty. Yo, she sick my stomach, I swear. You see me? All our man look like a blood clot, maestro bull with a big nose in them ring, a big ring in them nose, you know what I mean? And you just pull them to make them behave themselves. Bumble them. Miss Kitty, don't come address no man, you know. Oh, come know where you live, you know, Miss Kitty. I know where you live. Don't make me have a page or give you a library. Because you're not full of words yet. You get me? I say use a bird brain. Oh. But yeah, come tell man about man not dead for woman. Which one are Jamaican woman? Where the fuck no Mama Teresa they are Jamaica away from cartel mother? Our cartel mother the real mother. And them type of woman here who address and hold them sisters accountable. Miss Kitty is a war out underneath, sore out, bumbuclad, here Jamaica soaring to new heights. We up in your gut, you stink and bright. Bumbuclad, you forget gas and light. I'm gonna light your mama. Bumbuclad, Miss Kitty. You get me so upset. And then the waste man, them a say them thing there. You get me I say? And in the Bible, God have him soldier them a fight war and people have a dead for King David. So not change. One want to change where God start, Satanist bitches. I want to sell out to Satan the snake, to take the anaconda and bring forth blood clot Cain and make him kill God Pitney when he am able, You see me, I make Cain stab Abel in him navel. You see me, a them woman you cause it. Not this one still. You see me, I love that one. I look how she cute. You see me, I say? She favor all my sister when I love so much. You see me? Yeah, man, big man thing, you see it? Yeah, man, Miss Kitty stink and bright. She would never address our little blood class sister them. And talk about the corruption. Look how that woman you defend the man them and say, yo, Jamaican man are the best. And me do a video where they said Jamaican woman are the worst. And you see it, she approve my fucking point. Because Jamaican man always show so them care ask if them eat already and ready. We never can buy our food for show so we care and then hear the return and the respond with them and say, him bright, him come and ask my boy if me eat and him not buy nothing. Them girl are easy for fucking poison. Any man them just see and talk to them willing for name from them. No girl can come blood clot cook for me. Not even the first, second or third. Not even the 30th time a blood clot fuck her. She can come give me food. Make any one of my girl them tell you that. The one from Mandeville, the one from Westmoreland, the one from Kingstonian, the one from any blood clot. Saint Anne, you name it. Me no name from girl so quick. You see me? Because you see through me is a good youth. My love for treat woman good and treat anybody good, because good people is good people. You see, corrupt people, a corrupt man will treat girl good, but him treat him brethren and treat other men wicked. And Jamaica have enough of them man there. Them no believe so them forgive man nothing. Nothing them no believe. I could have them friend, but them give y'all everything. And this is what me I tell you, the man them dance and give woman power. That's why I'm telling you in the Miss Kitty video on YouTube when I post. You go watch it. Because I talk about that. So when me I grew up, me here When me I grew up as a little youth, a be a man, me see a drive vehicle, truck, bus, van, all type of things. Be a man. When you look car, be a man, I drive them when me a boy. But me remember, say, me have to go do me have to conduct a survey now. And why me have to conduct a survey there? Because me start to hear a bag of man everywhere me go, I say, yo, me buy my woman a car, you know. I'm going to work near a man, I say, come get kicked from school early, you know. So I have to work from 15, 16, you see me? So I'm going to work, me a man, I say, I buy my woman a car, you know. I go to my yard. People like community say, I buy my girl a car, you know. So I say, Bumbo class, so much man I buy them girl car. So I go so one day, I say, I start count how much woman I drive now from the numbers of men when I see a drive. When I take a start to blood clot, every time I walk out a road from then till now, and I count the amount of female drivers when I see. Sometimes the window them wind up and tint and you can't see. So I can't count them one day. But for years, I conduct them count here because of what I hear people say. And this is my observational skills when I have and my powers. For just notice what people are saying, how the world I go one way, I quickly for catch up on it. So I conduct my survey now. I realize say a beer woman I drive. Most women I drive the big vehicle them, the SUV them, the car them. A beer woman. After I realize me a bag of man I say them I buy them woman car. And then look how them blood clot woman you like Miss Kitty treat the man them and talk to the man them and diss the man them. And then these dirty foolish idiot Jamaican man them. Jamaica stop. Uno man for wise and stop give the woman them power because them are slave. You know, you think woman love man? Woman love power over man because that is what they yearn for. That is what they most desire, for gain power over man, because God gave man the power and woman jealous. Just like Cain and Abel. God gave Abel the power when the two of them had to sacrifice and present a burnt offering to God. God preferred Abel, and then now the blood clot devil boy Cain get jealous. Damn jealous. So you see, jealousy and bad mind is the most corrupt thing. That's why Cartel said, bad mind are the worstest disease. Him and Russian sing the song. You see me? Yeah, man, no joke. Go chuck off of the Twin Tower floor, dog. Because bad mind people and woman, enough woman, bad mind man for the power we have. You get me? That's why them always try find every little way for belittle us. You see what me I say? Yeah, man, Miss Kitty, you're so got beard. Because to you fat, Miss Kitty, when you put roll on under your arm, does just stink like the sour them. Remember from your little pick me a blood clot, go through some blood clot, get up, for go school. You see me I say? I saw under Miss Kitty arm blood clot sour because no roll on. Them have to go wait till 30 years before them can find and invent a roll on or some deodorant that is strong enough for can blood clot hold down Miss Kitty frownsy arm, molly arm, blood clot, warm arm yam, blood clot, ranking piss yam, blood clot Miss Kitty. Don't make me hear this man again. Cause you have a big platform and you, Miss Kitty come at about man are dead for man are not dead for woman. Who for dead for you, bitch? And the girl them where you been at spend years to educate for yet man and for rob and tax and tear man. Eh? And then them man are so fucking dunce. Them not have no intelligence. Yo, run it baby, come here chat too long.
You know, so somebody tell me say today say Bricks, you know say Jamaican man mind woman. Mr. Jesus Christ.
You hear that? Jamaican man mind woman and them still a do it, you see me? And dating across the world. Almost done it, especially in the Western world, because a woman fuck it up. Man stop go up and date. Man start meet girl the same day and carry them at them place. Or go at the girl place. Because the girl them love more than man, you know. Woman love sex more than man, you know. That's what I say? But yet still them talk as if man love sex more than them. And man a dog. That's why if them a say man a dog, them is bumbuckler bitch. You stink. And a them a get the most cocky. You see what I say? Them a get the most cocky dog. You see me? So, them can't style, man. Because they're not from the fucking Virgin Island. You see, so Miss Kitty got beard and left Jamaica. You sting.
This pussy one. Man, over here don't even ask money, then I'm from morning. But you know, over here bring them down and class them and I carry.
Yes, you should defend man because you know what life and what man is worth. And this is intelligence. This is what intelligence. This show you who is intelligence. This show you have a waste girl to Instagram name Queen Eye Freak, you know. Me have to bother her up on her time, you know, because she love live and bringing down man, you know. Yes, me and them dirty Jamaican man, I will say me a batty man, because me a defend the man, them and I fight against the girl them, because them fool. I'll Dexter that him a big bumbuckler simp. You see me I say? Enough for them bad man. You see me? Them a make the girl them feel like so them can't say anything go man. A man God give the power, but not for them boy are them single mother raise them born for suck pussy and lick out girl body and suck crotch like alka. Bumba clot.
Them down. Every blood clot time to they get. Wanna carry them down. Wanna bring them down. 24/7, 48, 19, 12. You know, some kind of come in for cuss.
Yeah.
But for some reason, I don't want to load up my mouth. I don't want to be a buto.
You hear how she sound like Miss Kitty too? At the universe send that woman here. You hear she say buto and behave myself, she sound just like Miss Kitty. And I teaching about the universe, how them combat them one another. You see me, oh God and the devil's people. That is what life is about. Good against evil. Identifying the good, sticking with the good. The evil guys always identify the evil people. Trust me, if you're ever there on evil people, and you're lucky enough, you'll hear them say a lot of time, yo, that boy are evil, you know, and them laugh and them dap him up, because that is what they do. They love evil men and evil chiz. You get me I say? Yeah, so don't make them trick you. You see me?
Get on the shit together and load them on them here.
Oh.
Load them the fuck up below alone. Even don't know if you do them, leave them alone.
Them don't know for deal with baby. Them don't know for deal with it. Because them mother fuck them up from them little toe. So yes, what me I show you? Them mother I mess them up from them little toe. So the mother them don't even deserve this big Mother's Day thing unless them name Mama Teresa or that girl, you see me? And the other woman them who can identify with split justice down to the T and give the just to the men them when them forget it and give the ice cold treatment to the witches them and the bitches them will forget it. See what me I say? Yeah. So you split justice. You don't give one JUS and one ice. You give one JUST. There's 7 words in justice. And if you split justice, you give one 4 letters and give one the other co-letter. The ice. You see me? That's why you never trust police. Because them come to deal with people like ice till the very end. Alright, I done it, you know. Done it, done.